Now we're going to be discussing the Little Polka on page 16, number 5 of the Junior High Euphonium Set 3. And on the Little Polka, it says interval study. Traditionally, an interval study is something like this. Where you're going back and forth with a repeated note in between or jumping around on these intervals. And what we've tried to do here on this one is pick something that's a little bit more enjoyable than just a finger exercise. So even though it's getting the same point across, to see if we can make those jumping intervals, what we're trying to do right now is see if we can do that, but give you a little bit of a playful melody for some style also. Throughout here, we've got lots of accidentals that you need to watch out for. In addition to the key signature of A flat, some accidentals that normally throw some people off. In measure 2, you've got a C flat, which is the same as your B natural, 1 and 2. Second line, you've got a G flat, which we often see 2 and 3, but in the second measure, you've got an F flat. And F flat is second valve, same as your E natural. Okay, those ones where there's no black key on the piano sometimes throws people off, but you need to watch those C flats and F flats that you have occasionally through this song. Other than that, I'm going to set the metronome at about 70 beats per minute, and on 70, I want you to listen, but I'm going to take the retard in the second line and just come to a stop and then let the metronome catch back up to me for the ah tempo. Okay, a little stylistic thing. One other thing looking around, some of you this be the first time that you see a grace note. And in measure 3, the first complete measure, you've got an A flat and then a C with a little tiny note in between. And that's almost like playing a wrong note on purpose and then quickly going from the B to the C. So it's like A, B, C, A. Would be how to demonstrate that measure. Okay? Here is the Little Polka.